So here we have the SPORTRAP controller. When we was designing this product, we had a couple of visions in mind what we wanted to make sure we accomplished. One of which is that it could be used with one hand, leaving the other hand free to take scores. The biggest concern we had there then, of course, was, well, we don't really want the remote control sliding around the table as people are reaching for it. So we went with these super soft rubber feet, and they grip so well I can actually push this remote control with 2 fingers and the whole table will move. It really does grip. So I'm quite impressed with the feet we've got on this unit. The second point we wanted to make sure we included with this was that the unit would be rechargeable. So a 12 volt DC connection can be connected to it, which we supply a transformer for. And once fully charged, you could expect usage of approximately 3 days on one charge. So it will last the duration of your competition. If you was to forget to put it on charge, no problem, you can connect any 12 volt source to this, maybe a car battery, and run it straight off that feed. On the back we have a power switch to turn the unit on or off, the 12 volt DC jack inputs, and we have a red LED to show that the unit is actually charging. Once the light actually goes off, that's telling you the unit is fully charged and can be disconnected. So we'll program up 5 receivers onto this remote control now, and then we'll set up some lights to represent clay pigeon traps out in the field. To program the unit, it's the same as all of our other remote controls, utilising the magnetic programming tool, and the programming key on this one is the D and D SIMO pair button. We hold that down in conjunction with the channel we wish to program to put the remote control into programming mode, and let's just do channel A first. So we hold down D and E in A, and the long beep signifies that the remote control is now waiting for the receiver to be paired to that channel. To do that, we take the magnetic programming tool and we just wave it across the top of the receiver. And the remote control will beep twice to signify that the channel is now programmed. So now we will just repeat that for the 4 remaining channels. And that's it, the system is now ready to use. The buttons of the remote control are laid out of a typical SPORTRAP course. We have 5 singles across the top, we have 5 sets of following pairs, and then we have 5 SIMO pairs, giving 25 targets per shooter over the 5 stands. So, as we push the buttons, we'll see the lights illuminate. And then lastly we have the SIMO pairs. So that concludes the video of the SPORTRAP system. Please do drop by the FieldTech.store website, and any questions you may have with regards to this system, please don't hesitate to get in touch.